Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. From here, inhale, lift the right leg straight up. Right knee to right elbow. 1. Come back to Adho Mukha. Left leg straight up. Left knee to left elbow. 2. Keep alternating. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Up. 6. Up. 7. Up. 8. Up. 9. Up. 10. And back. Slowly, knees down, relax again in Shashankasana. And come to Urdhva Mukha. All the way in front, turn the toes out. Press the hips down. Now from here, inhale, look over your right shoulder at your left heel. Come back to center, inhale. Exhale, look over the left shoulder at your right heel. Again, inhale, over the right shoulder. Center, inhale, over the left shoulder. One more time, inhale, over the right shoulder. Come back to center, inhale, over the left shoulder. And from here, tuck your toes in, straighten the legs, push the hips forward, tighten the legs, heels together, lift the chest up. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down, sit back again in Shashankasana. Take 3-4 breaths there. Inhale and exhale. And slowly come. Today we will do few variations on Surya Namaskar. So there will be at least 20 rounds of Surya Namaskar. We'll come to the front of the mat. Start with the feet together. Body in a straight line. Press your palms together. Namaskara Mudra. Tighten the legs. Chin parallel to the ground. From here, inhale to Tadasana. All the way up. Don't bend backwards. Exhale to Uttanasana. Head down. Hands down, legs are straight, hips moving up. Now from here, Ardha Uttanasana, come on your fingertips, keep the legs tight. Lift your head up, look in front, pushing the hips back, keep the back flat. From Ardha Uttanasana, go straight to jump or walk to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale to Urdhva Mukha. Exhale to Adho Mukha. Right leg in the center. Uttanasana. Back to Namaskara Sthiti. Again, Tadasana. Uttanasana. Ardha Uttanasana. Jump or walk to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, left foot in the center, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Again, Tadasana, Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Ekapada, right foot center, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. One more round. Tadasana, Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, left leg in the center, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. We'll do 4 more rounds. Tadasana, Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, right leg in the center, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Again, Tadasana, Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, left foot in the center, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. 2 more rounds. 1 Tadasana, 2 Uttanasana, 3 Ardha Uttanasana, 4 Chaturanga Dandasana, 5 Urdhva Mukha, 6 Adho Mukha, 7 will be right foot and Uttanasana together, and 8 back to Namaskara Sthiti. Again, 1, 2, 3 Ardha Uttanasana, 4 Chaturanga Dandasana, 5, 6, 7 Uttanasana, 8 Namaskara Sthiti. Last 2 rounds. 1, 2, 3 Ardha Uttanasana, 4 Chaturanga Dandasana, 5 Urdhva Mukha, 6, 7 Uttanasana, 8 back to center. Last round. Tadasana, Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, left leg in the center and Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Stay there. Release the hands, feet slightly apart, body in a straight line, hands by the side of the thighs. Just observe your breathing. Observe the state of your mind. Scan your body. See if the body is warmed up. Both sides, right side, left side of the body. Observe your breathing. Breathing should have slowed down. Eyes remain closed. Feet back together. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Surya Namaskara A. Hiranmayena patrena satyasya pihitam back bend. 1. Uttanasana. 2. Ekapada, right leg back. 3. Dvipada. 4. Ashtanga Namaskara. 5. Urdhva Mukha. 6. Adho Mukha. 7. Ekapada, right foot in the center. 8. Uttanasana. And 10 back to center. Om Ravaye Namaha. 1. Push the hips forward. 2. Drop the head fully. 3. Left leg all the way back, chest up. 4. Tighten the legs, body in a straight line. 5. Hold your breath. 6. Heels together, chest up and open. 7. Heels press down, push the hips back and up. 8. Left foot in the center. 9 and 10 back to center. Om Suryaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Bhanave Namaha. 1. Tighten the legs nicely, push the hips forward. 2. Press the palms, tighten the legs, head down fully. 3. Left leg back, take a big step, push the hips forward, chest up. 4. Legs together, body in a straight line, tuck your buttocks in, keep the arms strong. 5. Hold your breath for 2 seconds, Ashtanga Namaskara. 6. Urdhva Mukha. Open the chest, tighten the legs, press the hips down. 7. Push the hips back, press the heels down, keep the legs straight, kneecaps engaged. 8. Left foot in the center again. Hips forward, chest open. 9. Head down completely. 10. Namaskara Sthiti. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Om Khagaya Namaha. Ekam, Dve, Treni, Chatvari, Pancham, Shata, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. Om Pushne Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Marichaye Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Again, deep inhale, slow exhale. Straighten the body, reset the body. Legs up tight. Chin parallel to the floor, chest open. Om Adityaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 4 rounds. Om Savitri Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Inhale, exhale, right leg back. Inhale, exhale, hold your breath. Inhale, exhale. Now right foot in the center. Hold your right ankle and come to Trikonasana. Left hand on the hip first. Tighten both the legs. Push the left hip back. Head and chest open. Head back. Once your legs are stable, take the left hand to the ceiling. Look up at your left fingers if you can. Keep tightening both the legs. Push the left hip back. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come to Ekapada Uttanasana Namaskara Sthiti. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Inhale, exhale, left leg back. Exhale, Dvipada. Hold your breath. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Left foot in the center. Hold your left ankle. Straighten both the legs. Right hand on the right hip. Push the head and chest back, shoulders back. Keep opening up the right hip. And then tighten both the legs and take your right hand to the ceiling. Look up at your right thumb. Press the outer edge of the right foot. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ekapada Uttanasana Namaskara Sthiti. Last round. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Inhale, exhale, inhale, right leg back, exhale, hold your breath. Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, right leg forward. Uttanasana Namaskara Sthiti. Once more, feet slightly apart, hands beside the hips. slightly touching the thighs. Stand in Samasthiti. Keep your eyes closed. Observe your breath. Chin parallel to the ground. Observe the state of your body. Slow down your breathing. Don't control the breathing. Let it be normal breathing. Slow down the breathing. Take 3-4 breaths more. We continue with Surya Namaskara B. Feet back together. Eyes remain closed. Hands stay by your side. From here, inhale and come to Utkatasana. All the way up. Press the hips down, chest up, hands straight. From here, Uttanasana. Uttanasana to Ardha Uttanasana. Look up, flatten your back, hips pushing back, legs tight. Jump or walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now when you bring the right foot in the center, you come to Virabhadrasana Ek. Right foot in the center, keep the right knee bent, turn the left hip to face the front, right hip pushing back, both hands up, look in front, try and get the right thigh parallel to the ground, Virabhadrasana 1. Hold it there for about 3 to 5 seconds. Inhale and on the exhale, go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, left foot in the center, Virabhadrasana 1. On the left side, right hip pulling forward, tighten the back leg, bend the left knee, hands up, chest facing front. Keep breathing, stay for 3 to 5 seconds, straighten the arm. Inhale again on the exhale, go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha, you walk or jump and come to Ardha Uttanasana. Forward, looking up. Exhale to Uttanasana. Inhale again to Utkatasana. And Namaskara Sthiti. We repeat that again. Inhale Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Exhale. Ardha Uttanasana. Inhale. As you exhale, you jump to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale to Urdhva Mukha. Exhale to Adho Mukha. Once more, right foot in the center. Virabhadrasana 1. All the way up. Chest facing the front, hands up. Bend the right knee, tighten the left leg. Inhale and exhale to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, left foot in the center, Virabhadrasana 1. Tighten the right leg, bend the left knee, chest facing front, keep breathing, pull the arms up, look in front. Inhale and exhale back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha you come to Ardha Uttanasana. Looking in front, fingertips on the ground, legs tight, back flat. Uttanasana, press your palms down. Utkatasana. And Namaskara Sthiti. Take a moment. Bring your breathing back to normal. We'll do few more rounds, 2 more rounds. Again, Press the palms together, chest open. Inhale to Utkatasana. Exhale to Uttanasana. Inhale to Ardha Uttanasana. Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha, inhale, right foot in the center. Ek Virabhadrasana, ek. Bend the right knee, tighten the left leg, press the outer edge of the left foot. Keep pushing the hip down, arms pulling up to the ceiling. Exhale, back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha, left foot in the center, Virabhadrasana, ek. Bring the hip down, pull the arms up, chest facing front. Exhale, back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Ardha Uttanasana, Uttanasana, Utkatasana, and Namaskara Sthiti. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. One more round. Inhale, Tadasana to Utkatasana. Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana. Walk or jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Right foot in the center, Virabhadrasana, ek. Legs are nicely warmed up. Bend the right thigh parallel to the ground. Tighten the left leg. Inhale and exhale back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Left foot in the center. Virabhadra ek on the left side. Again tighten the right leg, outer edge of the right foot. Bend the left knee nicely. Chest facing front, shoulders facing front. Inhale, pull the arms up. Exhale, back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha, walk or jump to Ardha Uttanasana. Uttanasana. Back to Utkatasana. And Namaskara Sthiti. Observe your breath, scan your body. You can drop your hands down, take a few seconds. Once more, normal breathing. We'll repeat the same thing with Virabhadra 2 this time. 3-4 breaths more. Feet together. Tighten the legs. Hands remain by the side. Eyes remain closed. You can open your eyes once we start. Inhale, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. From your right foot in the center and inhale straight to it. Take the left hand back, bend the right knee, chest open to the side, looking in front over your right fingers. Press the left leg tight, outer edge of the left foot, both hands in the same straight line. Keep pulling the arms in opposite direction. Virabhadra Do. Inhale and on the exhale go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left foot in the center. Bring the right hand back. Tighten the right leg. Bend the left knee. Back is straight. Chest open to the right side. Look over your left fingers. Virabhadra 2 on the left side. Inhale and exhale. Back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. From here, walk or jump to Ardha Uttanasana. Look in front, flatten the back, stay on the fingertips, push the hips back. Uttanasana, drop the head, fully press the palms. Utkatasana, knees tight, thighs pressed together, chest up, and back to Namaskara Sthiti. Once more. Inhale, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana. Jump back or walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. From here, right foot in the center. Nicely take the arm back. Stretch the arms out in opposite direction. Virabhadra Do. Tighten the back leg. Bend the right knee. Get the thigh parallel to the ground. Inhale and on the exhale, come back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. On the other side, left foot in the center, Virabhadrasana Do. Bend the left knee nicely, left thigh parallel to the ground. Right leg tight, right outer edge pressing into the mat. Open up the right hip. Look over your left fingers in front. Shoulders in the same straight line. Arms in the same straight line. Inhale, extend the arms little bit more. On the exhale, back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha, walk or jump to Ardha Uttanasana. Head down, press the palms. Uttanasana, Utkatasana. Back to Namaskara Sthiti. We'll do 2 more rounds with Parshvottanasana. Inhale, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha, bring the right foot in the center. Straighten both the legs. Stay on your fingertips. Look up first. Pull the spine forward. Inhale. On the exhale, press your palms down. Push the right hip back. Drop your forehead towards the right shin. Keep both the feet pressed nicely on the mat. Press the back heel. Tighten and straighten both the legs. That's important. From here, inhale and exhale to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Left foot in the center. Straighten both the legs. Come on your fingertips. Back flat. Left hip pushing back. Look in front. Inhale. On the exhale, Parshvottanasana. Get your forehead towards the left shin. Tighten both the legs. Press the back heel. Keep breathing. Again, inhale and exhale back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha, both feet in the center, come to Ardha Uttanasana. Uttanasana. Fully exhale. You have to go with the breath, otherwise you get tired very fast. Utkatasana. Inhale and exhale back to Namaskara Sthiti. One more round. Inhale, Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Ardha Uttanasana. Walk or jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Right foot in the center, straighten both the legs, press the back heel. Both feet are facing in the same direction, facing front. On your fingertips, lift the head up, push the right hip back. On the exhale, press the palms on either side of the right foot. Drop your forehead to the right shin. Keep tightening the kneecaps, pushing the right hip back, both hips in the same line. Inhale and exhale to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha, left foot in the center. Straighten both the legs, fingertips, head up, spine pulling forward, back flat, left hip moving back. Inhale, on the exhale, press the palms and drop your head towards the left shin. You can close your eyes when you drop your head. Take at least 3 breaths. Keep the legs tight, heels pressed down. Inhale and exhale back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha, walk or jump forward to Ardha Uttanasana. Uttanasana. Utkatasana. Namaskara Sthiti. Keep your eyes closed. Drop your hands by the side. You can relax the legs a little bit, feet slightly apart. Just observe your breathing. Scan your body. Observe the state of your shoulders, arms and legs. Watch your breath. Watch the state of your mind. Inhale and slowly as you exhale, open your eyes and go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Heels down, relaxing here. Straighten the arms, push the hips back. Your head is hanging loose, moving towards the ground. Observe your lower abdomen as you exhale. Stay for 3 more breaths. Slowly inhale, take your right foot in the center. Prasarita Padottanasana, turn to the side, toes in and heels down. First inhale, stretch the hands in front, push the hips back, look in front between the fingers. Inhale, keep tightening the legs, pushing the thighs outwards. On the exhale, walk the hands back, drop the elbows down to the ground in line with the toes and slowly drop the top of your head on the mat. Keep the legs tight, push the hips up to the ceiling. Close your eyes. Watch your breath there. Stay for at least 5 seconds. Keep tightening the legs. Keep straightening the spine, pulling the head in closer. Inhale and as you exhale, observe the abdomen. Slowly press your palms. Inhale, head up. Come to Ekapada. From there, Adho Mukha again. From Adho Mukha, knees down. Shashankasana, sit back. forehead down, elbows down, and relax. Relax in Shashankasana. Completely relax in Shashankasana. And slowly turn around, lie down on your back. Legs out straight in front of you. Chin down, hands by your side, shoulder blades open apart from each other, keeping your ankles together. Inhale, lift both the legs straight up, turn your toes in, heels pushing up to the ceiling, close your eyes, tighten the kneecap, straighten the legs, hands down beside your hips. Observe your abdomen as you breathe. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly, as you exhale, drop both the legs down. Now pull both the knees in. Knees in towards your chest, feet together, hands to the side. Inhale, and on the exhale, drop the knees to the right side. Keep the knees close to the armpit, right armpit. Your left shoulder should stay on the ground. You can hold the top knee with the right hand. Turn your head completely to the left. Close your eyes. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Inhale. On the exhale, drop both the knees to the left side near the armpit. Hold the top knee with the left hand, right hand on the right shoulder on the ground. Turn your head completely to the right side. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back to center. From here, with your 3 fingers, hold the big toes. Inhale, Supta Upavishta Konasana. Stretch both the legs out. Pull the toes towards your shoulders. Rotate the thighs outwards. Tighten the legs, tighten the kneecaps. You can close your eyes. Observe the back of the muscles in the back of the legs. As you keep tightening the legs, observe the inner thigh muscles, kneecaps engaged. Keep breathing. Relax your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly inhale, bring the legs back together. On the exhale, bend your knees, take your hands under the knees. Try to hold the elbow or the wrist. Keep your head down. Pull the knees closer to you. Keep breathing as you stay there. If you don't have a neck problem or cervical or spondylitis problem, inhale, lift your head up. Pull the knees closer to your forehead. Pull your stomach in, create more space. Exhale, head down, legs down, stretch your legs out and relax there for a few seconds. Hands by your side and relax. stay in the same position. Hands in Chin Mudra. We'll start with 3 Om chants. Inhale. Inhale. Last round. Inhale. Slowly stop. Observe the vibrations. Keeping your eyes closed, hands remain in Chin Mudra. For 2 minutes, we'll continue with Brahmari. Keep the eyes closed, keep the hands in Chin Mudra. Long Makara sound on the exhale. 5 to 7 rounds. Inhale. Continue on your own. Last 2 rounds. Last round. Slowly stop. Observe the vibrations. Observe your breathing. Release the Chin Mudra. Palms open, facing the ceiling. Take your legs little wider, toes turned out. Eyes remain closed, chin down. Shavasana, relax the whole body. Try not to move. Observe the whole left leg. Observe the whole right leg. The back of your hips. Front of your hips. Relax your lower back, middle back, upper back. Relax your navel and stomach region, chest region, sides of the body. Relax the back and front of the shoulders, the whole right arm, right palm, all the fingers in the right hand, the whole left arm, left palm, all the fingers in the left hand. Relax your neck, back of your head, the whole face region, forehead, sides of the forehead, eyes rolled back completely, keeping the gaze behind the forehead. Lips gently closed. Just observe your breathing as you feel the weight of the body sinking into the ground. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your body. Gently move your fingers and toes. Inhale, and as you exhale, bending your knees, turn to your right side. Supporting yourself with your left hand. Come up